Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get cotton candy hair in Roblox. We'll cover the different ways you can add these vibrant styles to your avatar. Whether you prefer to buy them directly or earn them through gameplay, I'll guide you through the process. Get ready to personalize your look with some sweet, colorful hair. The most straightforward way to get cotton candy hair is by purchasing it from the Roblox avatar shop. Simply navigate to the shop, then use the search bar to look for cotton candy hair. You'll find many options, often priced around 65 to 80 Robux. Select your favorite style and complete the purchase to instantly add it to your inventory. Many talented creators offer free cotton candy hair through user-generated content, or UG, games. These games often require you to earn in-game currency, like points or crowns, by completing tasks or simply playing for a certain amount of time. For example, some items might require 15 million points or playing for 90 minutes. Once you have enough, you can redeem it for your new hair. To maximize your chances of getting free cotton candy hair, stay informed about limited-time releases. Many creators announce these on their Roblox groups or Discord servers. Be ready to claim items quickly, as quantities are often limited and can disappear fast. Also, keep an eye out for games that provide codes for extra points, helping you earn free hair even faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.